All right, hey, what's up, guys? So today, we're just gonna go over a quick. The market is still going, so we're gonna go over something quick. So this morning, it was some ADP, farm employment change. Then you had some unemployment claims, and then this is tomorrow. So we're not looking at Friday. We're just looking at these two. So it spiked a little bit in the market. If you see, this is 7:15. Uh, right now, this is so 8:15. You know, this time frame is set to New York. But this right here, actually, right here is set to Central Standard Time on my actual forex factory joint. So let me get rid of that. So basically, this is the same time frame. As you can see, it spiked. It's the ADP non-farm roll spiked right here underneath my 50 EMA. As you can see right here, this is my 50 EMA. It spiked right here, right at the beginning of New York time frame. And if you follow my previous videos, you can see right now what we're about to do. Let me just move this out the way. You could have got in actually right here as well. And then you could have got in where I'm finna show you where I do my strategy at, where I made some money at right here. Let's make this yellow. I always box off the highs and lows. So this is 9 to 9:30 when the equities markets open up. All right. And so right now, as I can see this strong push of sell, this is just a confirmation one. So just because it says sell, like I said, don't jump in the market and just get in there, because you'll be less profitable in the long run. So as you can see right here, it does say sell, but what I do is I wait till 9:30 equities market open. Then I let that first candle play out. As you can see, it was a strong push candle. And then underneath my 50 EMA. And if you looked on my, let me get out of here. And if you looked right here, it was a bearish candle. So remember, that is my actual confluence. So let me write this here so you don't have to go back. So my first confluence, let's just write confluences. All right. One, daily bias. Bearish or bullish. Look if it's bearish or bullish. All right. And then I drop down to my 15-minute or my 5-minute or whatever the case may be. I just do a top-down analysis. So but I don't go, since I'm not long-term trading, I'm just scalping. I just go down to my 1 hour time frame. 1 hour. Bearish or bullish. And or underneath, let's do underneath 50 EMA. That's another thing. If it's not under the 50 EMA for the hourly time frame, I don't take the sale. And then so now you drop down to drop down to 5-minute. So you can do the 15-minute, 5 or 15-minute time frame, and particularly look for 50 EMA. So look, and that's just, you know, some of the things I look for. So, and if you look right here, let's just look at the 1 hour. As you can see, this morning it was already over. Let's move this. It was under the 50 EMA. See that? Under the 50 EMA. This is around 8:15. All right. So that's when you go over here. Let me move my thing. Where my thing go? There it is, right there. All right, and I'm going to show you I'm going to show you today's trade. If you look at it, this is the one I took today. All right. All right, so, and let me move this over here too, so you can see. Boom. All right, so just remember this, and let's move this out the way. Daily bias, bullish or bearish or bullish. That daily bias, it was bearish, red candle. and you look at the 1 hour time frame that was underneath the 50 EMA, it was actually, so it means it's bearish. All right, drop to the 5 and 15 minute. Also underneath the 50 EMA, it was bearish. So that tells me I'm only looking for sales. And so if you look right here at the Darvas box, you have, this is just to indicate you have buy and sell signals. I don't need all this. I do my daily assessment. If I'm looking at, hey, the main candle is bearish, then I'm only looking for sales. All right, so I'm going to click that. And so this right here, you see all these sales right here. Of course, I need my confluence. My big time confluence was the highs. This was the high of my 9 to 930. I just put high price. All right. Then we have the low price. And what I'm waiting for it to do is to break out of that price. And as you can see right here, boom, it had a big explosion candle right there on the 5th. Let me move this. And so here's the deal. When I got in right here, my broker, see, look, 3301. Let's go. 33001. This is where it got me in right here. See, I actually got in, tried to get in at the close of this candle. And as you can see, it got me in a little bit above. So that was a good thing for the broker to actually get me into a better price. And then if you can see, it went, let's go 32,901. Let's do 100. I normally do 100. So 32,901, as you can see, 32,901, that's 500 on a 100K account. I tend to stay right there because my objective is to get 6K, but I'm fine with piecing it up. And as you can see right here, I've had 200 this day, 500 this day, 500 this day, and then that's 1119 for 3 days of 3 trades. All right, so that's a good week so far. And as you can see, my and I stick with this. I tend to stick with this strategy because it potentially works, and I've been trading it for a while. So as you can see, it got me in a little higher up than priced. I mean, and there was actually a good price. And so it actually, boom, within the next 5 minutes, basically, 15 minutes, it actually took me out in profit. All right. So that's just a quick trade that I want to show you guys. And let me move this out the way. Again, tomorrow, remember, it's me personally, if I were you guys, I wouldn't trade this, because at the end of the day, you have all these red folders, so it might go up, go down. It just depends. So that's the best thing to do. And then Friday, it's kind of consolidating, doing what it's doing for the rest of the week. So as you can see, this buyers are pushing this price back up as we speak. But guess what? We already out with 500. We already out. All right. So just remember that, guys. All right. Get in and get out the market. You could have got in right here, but my strategy is right here. My strategy is after 9:30. That's where I take these trades at. All right. Same thing. And I'm going to go over it again so you can see the vertical line by Chris Chapman. You can find it over here. Vertical line by Chris Chapman. Well, by Unknown Unicorn. All right. Very good tool to use. Very good tool to use. All this tool is doing is identifying the 9:30. You go to inputs, put 9.3, and then you just make the color you want. All right, and I have the 50 EMA, the consolidation box. That helps me with my longer term trades. And then I have the Darvas box. The Darvas box is a beautiful thing. But again, I tell you, do not use this Darvas box as a standalone indicator. All right, because it will screw you over royally. Because look at this. Let me just put on the vertical. The buy signal. Look at all these buys and sell signals on the 5-minute time frame. You'll be going ham and going crazy. Your account be gone soon before you even know it. So that's why I don't suggest, if you just brand new start and using this, Darvas box buy sell. If you see it right here, it's by CEYHUN. Very good tool indicator to add to your strategy. All right, add to your strategy. All right, I trade every day. So if you need any signals or you want to trade with me, just hit me up and we can do a Zoom call or we can go live and we'll make this money together. Other than that, hope you guys have a good week. Me personally, I'm not trading anymore until Monday. I might look at the chart tomorrow. But again, I've made my 1119 for the week. And so we're out. You guys have a blessed rest of your week, and I will see you guys trading Monday.